goes to work from early dawn, cooks the rice.
You did so well. You've learned how to help with the household chores.
Mom goes to work from early dawn, wakes to cook rice, buys meat and